Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start! Hey there! Today we're drawing a super cute cupcake. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the cupcake base. Begin by sketching a U-shaped base with slightly slanted sides. This will be the bottom of our cupcake. Keep the lines smooth and a little curved for that extra cute look. Step 2. Add the cupcake wrapper. Now at the top of the base, draw a wavy line. This will be the top edge of the wrapper, making it look crinkled, just like a real cupcake wrapper. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. Step 3. Draw the cute eyes. Let's bring our cupcake to life. Add 2 big round eyes on the wrapper. Draw small highlight circles inside each eye. This makes them look shiny and full of personality. Step 4. Fill in the eyes and add details. Now, fill the eyes with black, but leave those highlight areas white. Add tiny eyelashes and a curved mouth between the eyes for an adorable expression. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. Step 5. Start drawing the frosting time for the yummy frosting. Above the wrapper, draw a curvy swirl. Make sure it tilts a little to give our cupcake a fun and playful look. Step 6. Complete the frosting swirl. Keep adding curved lines to build up the frosting. Stack them on top of each other to create a soft and fluffy effect. Step 7. Finalize the cute details. Almost there. Add some extra curves to connect the frosting to the base. looks complete. Step 8. For the final touch, let's make it extra adorable. Draw small floating hearts around the cupcake. Then, outline your drawing with a black marker and erase any extra pencil lines. And that's it! You've just drawn an irresistibly cute cupcake. Don't forget to color it in and make it your own! Now, let's add some color to make it come alive. This is the fun part! Let's use bright colors to make it even more adorable. Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own! How the colors are turning out. It's looking so cute! Don't worry if you go outside the lines. It's all part of the creative process. Look at how amazing it turned out with all those colors! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.